First look, good look. 1976 Buick Electra, Park Avenue. Just got delivered from Chicago. She will be going through a full restoration like my others. Let's take a look around, see what we've got. She'll get new chrome bumpers, new everything, new paint, new pinstripes, new wheels, new tires, new top. Take a look inside of a triple black 1976 Buick Park Avenue. Get new fillers. New NOS tail lamps. Everything will be re-chromed. She's not perfect, but she is very, very solid. There will be lots more to come with how-to videos on the restoration process as well.